need you to come with us.
I am a teacher at Grover Cleveland Middle.
The sun is dying. I have 347 biologists from 21 countries mobilizing as we speak. If we do nothing, everything on this planet will go extinct.
So, I met an alien. Is that me? I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky. He's a genius engineer, and if I can't understand what he's saying, he puts on a little puppet show for me and my tiny brain. His planet's dying too. We're here for the same reason. Grace, Rocky, save stars. Am I expendable? It's almost like you don't care if I die. Hold on, you have to talk about it?
You're a great scientist, Dr. Grace. And a great human being. The world is counting on you.